Underneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the
Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another freaking video. So today's wig is from BilaceWig. I do have their 613 bob wig. So while you watching me unpack all the goodies inside of this, I'm gonna give you guys the rundown on the unit. The name of this is a summer bob. The full name of the wig will be listed in the description section below, so check that for other information. The inches of this unit is going to be 12. The hair density is 150%. The lace front on this unit is going to be a 13 by 6. It does come pre-plucked and it does have natural baby hairs. So I'm super excited. So we're going to dive right in. A cool feature about this wig is definitely that it's undetectable, meaning that it's going to give you that scalp vibes. Like somebody's going to have to look real hard to tell you that that's not your wig, okay? It comes with a transparent lace, and the knots on the units are so tiny, which almost, they're like not there, if that makes sense. So this feature definitely helps with it melting into your scalp and giving us that scalp vibe. So I love the construction of this unit. It does come with the 3 combs, one in the back and the drawstrings, and it's very detailed and more suitable for our heads. So we're gonna get right into it. Today I'm adding some color. So the first color I'm adding to this unit is going to be Sunrise Orange by Adore. I am using the watercolor method today because it's so quick and it's definitely less time consuming. I'm all about saving time. Sometimes it's all fun and stuff being creative, by just actually dyeing on the hair, but when you need something quick and to go, the watercolor method is just the way to go. I want different shades of orange. I don't like a flat, boring color, although it looks like that on camera. But I do go ahead and add 3 dyes to this unit. I do them separately. So this first dye, as you can see, was from Adore Me. The other 2 colors that I'm going in with is Arctic Fox Orange and Kiss Colors Express, or Kiss Express Orange Marmalade. So yeah, just taking some hot water and I put the hair in, let it saturate. I take the water out, mix it with the other 2, and it's just basically repetitive. I don't think I show all the process because you guys really get how it goes, but I really love this method of coloring the hair. So I will be back once I am all done coloring the hair. Okay, so here, this is just the clips with the 2 colors, and like I said, I'm gonna go in and add one more color by Kiss, just to darken her up. I felt it look a little clownish, so I didn't want to leave it that bright, so I used this Orange Marmalade by Kiss Express, and it definitely helped me darken up the orange just a tad bit, because I did not want to be out here looking like Bozo the Cloud. Okay. All right, so this is what the hair looks like once it's all colored. And as you guys can see, this was the look that I was going for. I'm going to just go ahead and blow dry. Off camera, I did add some chi heating protectant to this. So, yeah, and I used the high heating setting when blow drying just because it actually get the hair all the way dry. Now, if you're not trying to style it and everything in the same day, you can let it air dry and just flat iron it. But being as though I was doing all this in the same day, I wanted to make sure everything was completely dry and my hair was protected, by the way. So, in the upcoming clips, I'm just gonna flat iron her, and I use my Beyond the Zone heating protectant, and I use my, why do I never know the name? I think it's Baby Bliss Pro flat iron. I don't know. I never know the name of the flat iron, but I use that on, I believe, 45 and flat iron the entire unit. So I will be back when it's time for me to install the hair. All right, yo, so as you guys can see, this hair looks so freaking flawless. I love the color, and I love how it came off. Now it actually does look a little brighter than it is in person. It's actually a lot darker, but you know, these ring lights, and I'm not really a pro with my lighting situation, so I didn't know how to darken down or dim down the brightness on the auto setting. I don't even think you can do that, but you know, it's a little bit darker. But anyway, I'm just going ahead and melting my lace into my forehead because that's really what you're doing. And as you guys can see, this application is very flawless, and it's very easy and definitely less time consuming. So I love how the lace, being that it is transparent, it is melting into my scalp. I did have to go in just a little bit and add foundation onto the areas that, you know, wasn't blending as well into my scalp. But a quick technique for that is to just put your scarf on and let it melt. But like I said, if you take it off and still see, you know, a section that doesn't look like it has melted, just add foundation and you should be good to go. So throughout this whole process, I didn't have any trouble with the hair. Like when it came out the package, I didn't have any type of, strange smells and things like that. The hair was easy to work with, and it's definitely low maintenance, definitely with bobs in general. The hair was nice, soft, and silky after I washed and conditioned it, and straight out of the package, by the way, it was. But I didn't have any problems with it, tangling it up. Of course, you're going to get shedding. If somebody says you don't get shedding, they lying to you, sis. So I did get minor shedding, but this hair is a plus in my book, and it's definitely TJ approved. So don't forget to check the description section below. I do thank you guys for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.